and welcome to GLab Tech YouTube channel. In this channel, we are going to focus on how you can learn how to code or how you can code using your Android phone and build well-functional system that you can even host on cloud and can be useful to the people around you or even you as a person. So the tool that we'll be using mostly to run our command is Termux. So what is Termux? Termux is this application that I've opened in this that is open right now on my phone that you are seeing, but on their site it's written that Termux is an Android terminal emulator and Linux environment app that works directly with no routing or setup required. A manual-based system is installed automatically. Additional packages are available using the apt package manager. Meaning you can just run the command on this Termux as you will be running on Linux system on a machine or like on a PC. So how do you install this Termux? This Termux is we will find it on F-Droid or on Google Play. So I'll just go on Google Play, show you how you can install it using Google Play. So it is here. You can just come here and search it like Termux, like that. You just found it like the first option, and you will download it. Once you download it, you'll just open. So after you have opened it, there's some packages that you'll need to install for you to be able to use it, or for you to be able to learn to run code on it. One is the programming language. Second is some other packages. So I'm gonna show you how you can install package. So I'm gonna install a package called ffmpeg. So this package usually used to convert videos and audio files. So if you want to install a package, there's a command we run, we call it package install fm. So this is a package. So this is how we install the package. You can just wait for it to finish installing. So I will click Y for meaning yes. Remember, all this is running on your Android phone. As long as you've got Android phone which is version 5 and above, you can install Termux and start running this command on it with no routing required or any setup required or any advanced setup required. You just need to install it and start learning all these commands. Another thing I can say about this Termux is you cannot only use Termux to do everything for coding. You will need code editor, of which I will cover it in the next tutorial. But for now, we are going to learn about Termux. So we are installing a package called ffmpeg. Wow, it's quite big. As you are waiting, there's some other option that you can learn. For example, if you want to navigate for the if you want to create a multiple session for this Termux, you can just slide like that. You can just slide to right, and then there's a drawer which will open, and then you can just add a new session. So let me say you want to install another package. Let's say you want to install Node.js, so you can just say package install Node.js. Node.js is a programming language. Okay, I think there's an issue because there's already a session being in progress. But what I was trying to say is that you can have multiple session running on the same Termux. Let me try installing Python. Same. We just have to wait for this package finish to install so that you can continue. So you can see, I like you look like a hacker. It's so cool to see this letter running on the screen of your phone. If you can just download this app and follow me along with what I've done, um, it will be awesome. So now it is installing. It has already installed. It has already like downloaded the package. Now it's extracting the package and installing the files into the system. Let us just wait for it to finish. You can forward this video so that you can see the next part, because waiting for it is quite boring. Wow, wow. Wow, we are done. So that's how we install a package on these Termux. And how do you navigate? So if you want to navigate to see your previous command, you can just tap this up button and see what you had done before. So we had run package install FPPG. This is how we install. And if you want to move your cursor in between the line, you can just hold the up button and then press A. Then you can navigate. If you want to move on the other side, you can just you hold the up button, the volume up button, and then you tap the to navigate. So this is how we navigate on Termux. If you want to install a package, you can just say package install the name of the package you want. So for example, let me and if you want to search a package, also you can search by just saying package search git. As you can see, it has searched for the name git, and you can see like the git that you can download and install. But git is another topic for another day. Today is also installation of package on the Termux. So after you have installed these packages, let us install another package, programming language called Python. So we'll just say package install Python. So this is another way of installing package Python. So this is the programming language that we will first use to learn how to code, because Python is an easy language, and I believe anyone can learn Python and can know how to code using Python. So this is how you can install the package. But if you want to cancel installing, you can just tap this control and then you tap C, so you'll cancel everything you're doing. Okay, and then if you want to clear the screen, you can just tap clear. I'm just showing you how you can use this Termux, so that in the next tutorial, when you'll be seeing me like running this command, you won't like get confused of what I've been doing. So this is how you clear the screen. So if you want to see the packages, the folders available inside this, like where you are, you can just say ls to see the folders available. Or if you want to see the root, the path where you are, you can just run the famous command of pwd, and then you can see the term, the path where you are. But now we want to access if you want to access the files that are on your machine, you can't access if you haven't like if you haven't get the permission for you to access the files. So to get the permission for you to access the files on your phone, you need to run a terminal command, a Termux command called Termux setup storage. So I just run it, Termux, and then if you if you tap this tab button, it will automatically finish for you. So if I run this command, it will give us access to your internal storage. So for example, if you ls that storage that you had, so you can see you've got downloads, movies, music, pictures, shared. So shared is the memory where you are storing your things. So if we ls the shared file, you can see we have got all the files that I have got in this phone of mine. You can go ahead and learn new and try new terminal command of Linux and see how it is. So how do you run the package that you have installed? For example, we had installed fmpg for conversion of files. So let me just show you how you can run it. So I'm just going to run it to give us help. So if you run help, it will give you all the commands available for fmpg. This is just a shallow intro of Termux. I will urge you to go and learn more about Unix and Linux, so that you can come and experiment those what you've learned here on this Termux. You don't need to have a computer. You don't need to have like a superior computer for you to run this code. You just have to have your phone, and everything will just do what I've done here. So just go, and I will add the link below on the description for you to go and do more research on this Linux command, and then maybe you can come and experiment here, because in the next video we are going to use this Termux to do some basic thing. For example, we're going to use this Termux to convert an MP4 to MP3. Okay, so that's what we'll be focusing next on our next video. Before we jump into programming, first I want to make sure like you are at least comfortable with Termux before we go ahead to programming and to do some cool stuff with the programming languages and even code editor. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for my YouTube channel. Do subscribe for this channel for you to be able to get more videos in future. Thanks a lot. If you've got any feedback that you may think I need to improve on something, kindly comment below and I'll be able to try my best to improve on it, because this is my first video that I'm doing. I know I have done a lot of mistakes and you guys can correct me, and I'm willing to learn from your comments. Thanks a lot.